Hi, this is Lee Clock, and this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we are doing some laundry sheets for Earth by Us. Better for the environment. For Earth by Us laundry detergent sheets. Let's see how they work, shall we? So these are conveniently perforated sheets, like so. Like that, and they're perforated in the middle, like so. That one sheet, one half of these sheets is one load. Well, I am using a 3-load machine, so I'm going to put 3 of these sheets right in here, and let's see how it looks. So I've got sheets and towels in there. Plenty of suds for Earth by Us. Go out and get yourself some today. Just an example. The whites came out very white.